Welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. Learners, in today's video, we will learn how to write a good research title. In this video, I will share easy ways to write good research title. Plus, I will share how to write good research title. I will also share how to find good research title ideas, and I will show some examples of good research title as well in this video. So this video will going to be a complete package. So watch this video till end to learn about how to write a good research title. Without wasting any further time, let's start this informative video. Number 1 point, how to write a good research title. Your title should be of 4 to 5 lines maximum, not more than that or less than that. Now I will give you one example of a research title which is about 4 to 5 lines. As you can see in front of your screen, it's an example of a good research title. As you can see, it's impact of brand awareness, brand image on brand loyalty, plus it has moderating role of ethical marketing, plus moderating role of ethical marketing 4 P's in fast moving consumer goods. So as you can see in this topic is perfectly good. Why? Number 1, it tells you about the independent variables of the study such as brand awareness, brand image, and then the dependent variable which is brand loyalty. Then it clearly tells about the moderator which variable is used, and moderator variable which is used, and the sector in which this study is conducted on. Moving to the next point, number 2, your title should be broad research title. How? Let me give you one example and explain. For example, topic in front of your screen is a research title is impact of green reward, green pay, green training on employee performance in construction sector. So it's a broad research title. As you can easily see that it's related to green HRM, number 1. Number 2, it's telling us about that this study is about studying green reward, green pay and green training impact influence on employee performance in construction sector. So it's a good research title. Moving to point to number 3, your topic should give clear idea about number 1, your topic domain. Just take example topic domain. What is topic domain? For example, just I discussed in previous example about green HRM. So if you are doing study on green HRM, so your title should clearly show that your study is related to green HRM, or if you are studying on green accounting, then your topic should clearly show that your topic domain is green accounting or it's green finance. Same goes if you are studying on green supply chain. Let's move to point number 2. Next point is problem. Your title should clearly tell about the problem of your study to the reader and what are you studying in this topic. Next is the sector which you are studying on. Your title should give clear idea about your sector as well. So let me give you one example about it. As you can see, impact of green HRM, green reward, green pay, green training on employee retention in IT sector. As I mentioned, 3 points. Number 1, this topic tells about your domain which is green HRM. Number 2, it tells clearly about a problem which is the green HRM influence on employee retention, how green HRM is helping in retaining employees in their IT sector. Number 3 point was the sector which you are studying should be clearly mentioned in your title. As you can see that it's IT sector. Moving to point number 4, your title should be clear and understanding for readers. And the end, your research title, your research report or your research paper or your research proposal would be read by your readers such as supervisors or other research academics. So your title should be clear and understanding for them. If your title is clear and understanding for them, then they will use your study and read your study and will understand better about your study. Next example I will give you. Its example is impact of working environment, employee relation, work-life balance on employee performance in banking sector. As you can see, it clearly tells about the title of the study, domain of the study, and the sector which this study is studying, and it's clearly giving idea to us that what this study is all about. Moving to the next point, which is point number 5. Your title should clearly tell about the variables of the study which is used in your study. Let's take example here and I will explain. For example, your topic is impact of brand awareness, brand image on brand loyalty with moderating role of ethical marketing in fast moving consumer goods. So whenever a reader reads this topic, if I read this topic, it clearly gives us idea that in this study, the researcher is studying brand awareness and brand image impact on brand loyalty. Plus, they are seeing moderating role of ethical marketing in terms of fast moving consumer goods. So it's a perfect example. Moving next, point number 6, your topic should be interesting, eye-catching and unique. Why I'm saying that unique? If your topic is unique, you have better chance of getting successful in your research. You should always select new, latest research papers to get interesting topics, new topics and eye-catching topics. Moving next, let's give you example of impact for brand awareness, brand image and brand attachment on brand loyalty with moderating role of ethical marketing, 4 P's in fast moving consumer goods. As you can see, it's a new and interesting topic in terms of moderator and mediator, as we will not find so many articles which are studying these all variables in one study. So moving to our last point, which is how you can get good research title ideas, how you can write a good research title ideas. Okay, so here to do number 1, select see articles in impact factor journals. If you don't know how to make impact factor journals account, how to find impact journals account, so I have made a video already on it. I will give its link in description and I button as well, so you can easily go and see that after watching this video complete. So moving to the next point, which is see articles in Google Scholar. It's another example, easy, free. Go to Google Scholar, type your area of interest of any topic you have in your mind, such as if I go to Google Scholar, I will search green HRM, green finance, green accounting, green supply chain management. I will search in Google Scholar and I will find articles related to it and I will see their titles. Next is you can see published thesis. You can easily find them in Google Scholar. Just go to Google or Google Scholar or simple Google or any thesis website which provides you free thesis. Just write a topic, for example, green supply chain management, and search it and you will find related thesis to it. If you don't know how to find thesis, then I will give you link of my video which is totally made on how to find free thesis. Next point, which is the last point, is see or read any research book chapter. Read any research book related to your topic you have. If you have any core research book, don't read whole book, just read its research title chapter or introduction chapter or that chapter in which they are telling about how to select your topic, how to write a topic, how to write your report. In that chapter, this chapter, you will get a lot of research ideas. So I hope learners, you learned a lot from this video. That's it for today. If you haven't subscribed my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, press bell button and share with others. Thanks for watching.